Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my makeup room. And I think you guys have already know what I'm gonna do today. And this video is suggested by again one of my friend Shushmita. So yeah, Shushmita, this video is for you. I hope you will like it. Okay, now coming to the topic, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to put lashes on, I mean falsies. Now, I'm not an expert by the way, and still I'm a learner, and sometimes I too messed up while putting my lashes on. So I'm gonna just share with you how I stick my lashes, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, falsies are something that that is not a must. I mean, you don't need a falsies to complete your makeup. You can just go and rock even without falsies. But again, you have to admit that fact that falsies just can flatter any look, and the right falsies will give you that amp. But again, it's just a choice. If you don't want to put any falsies, then it's completely okay. If you want to put falsies, then again it's completely okay. And I think yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can just simply go with your mascara and you are good to go. So again, here another long ass intro. So yeah, without any more blabbering, let's get started. So yeah, let's go. And yes, I'm done with my everything, and the only things that are left is obviously my lips, mascara, falsies and everything. And that's what exactly I'm gonna show you today in this video. So before sticking your falsies up, what you need to do is to curl your lashes, coat them with some mascara, and then to put them. So yeah, next time for mascara, and for the mascara I'm gonna use this one. It's the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I'm gonna coat my upper and my lower lashes with this. Now it's finally time for lashes, and I'm using this Lash Talk Turn Up the Drama falsies by ANKITA. Yes, first what you should do, take it out, and then what you should do is to place your lash to your eyes and cut it according to your eye shape. Now you don't want to go all the way in with your lash. You want to go half of your eyes, and I love third, fourth of my eyes. Yes, I want my falsies to cover up that much portion of my eyes. So yes, I've cut it in that way. Now what you have to do is to grab your eyelash glue, and I'm using this Miss Claire eyelash adhesive, waterproof and every sorts of thing. And this is something I wouldn't recommend you this, because this one doesn't work really well. I will suggest you to go for the pack lash glue, although I haven't used it till and now, but I want to try that out, and pack products are generally good, so I hope that eyelash glue will be good too. But this one is no way, it's gonna be waste of money. So yeah, don't buy this one. Now what you have to do is let me just tell you first, you have to layer a thin layer of glue. You have to layer a thin layer of glue. Yes, you have to layer a thin layer of glue to your lash band, lash band here. And after that you have to wait for the glue become a little bit sticky, so that it stick to your eyes very easily. It can be somewhere around 10 seconds to 30 seconds according to, it depends on what type of glue you use. I mean, what glue you use. And with this, I don't generally wait so much. I generally have to wait for 15 seconds. Yeah, So what you can do when you buy a lash glue, just put some glue to your hand and check the time when it becomes sticky. So it will be easier for you to stick your lashes. Yes, I know I blabbers a lot, but whatever, let's just stick it. And another thing is that I always love to start with my middle portion. Just basically mean I just stick the lashes first to the middle portion of my eyes, and then I just gradually stick the other portions. And I use my hands. You can use a tweezer if you want to, but I just think that again it's become easier for me. Just try to stick your lashes as close to your lash line as possible, because then it's gonna look a bit natural. Natural means looks nice. It looks nice. So yeah, that's how you have to stick your falsies to your eyes. I hope I can explain it to you really well. So yes, my lashes are on now. It's not too hard, it's not too easy. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know if you have any more thing that you want me to do. Leave it in the comments, and share this video with your friends who have problems with sticking up falsies to those who desperately wants to put some falsies, but they never really can. Yes. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and keep spreading love.